Okay, so I just got the PGYTech landing gear extensions for the Mavic Mini. And I found that contrary to all of these reports I've been reading that you can't use the Flymore case anymore once you install them, you actually can still fit it into the Flymore case. And I'll give you a quick demonstration of how this works. So as you can see, I do have the extensions on here, and they're fully installed and extended. Now I'm going to demonstrate packing it up and putting it away. So fold these legs down here, the extension legs, that is. And then I'm going to take off the front legs. Now notice that when it's all set up and extended, that the feet point towards the back. This little curve points towards the back of the drone. That's important. So I can just grab it and they easily slide off. And then you just go ahead and fold it up as usual, just as if these back ones, the back extensions, weren't on there. Works just the same. And pull it out of the way, bring the case over. And make sure the props are all in line like they're supposed to. Now, see, it still fits in. Now it's a little bit snugger with these things on here, but it does go in. Put the legs there, and you can see it closes up and works just as well as if you didn't have the extensions on. Now when you go to pull it out, it's a little bit, you have to wiggle it a bit to get it out. Now, when you're putting them on, of course, this is in the reverse, so put these legs on like this, and you can just press down on this little depression here, and they slide on very easily. Now, I think the mistake that people have been making is that these will actually go on the other way, like this. And that's what I did when I first got it. But when you do it that way, just because of the shape of it, it goes on a lot tighter and it's a lot more difficult to get off. When you put it on this way, easy peasy. Very easy to put on and take off. And then you just do your usual unfolding and bada bing bada boom. Now I'm not going to go over all of the other stuff to do with this, like it goes over weight now, and just make sure this clicks when you open them. There's lots of other videos that already talk about that stuff. But anyway, that's all there is to it. So yes, you can put them on, and yes, you can still use the Flymore case. Bada bing, bada boom.